Repairability test for Eric Lyons. We got these two shingles here, both sealed down. We're going to try to remove and replace these shingles here. Already see some delamination on that top layer.
Well, that one's tore.
Yep, that's it right there. Okay. Okay, so right here we have some damage.
I'm being easy as I can too. They're stuck. It's tearing.
Okay, just keep going. Just unseal it. There we go. Okay, we have some matting transfer as well. No bueno. So, repair. Yes, we have granule loss. Yes, we have matting transfer. This repair fails. Tore the shingle twice trying to remove the sealer, and we have a lot of matting transfer that comes from the shingle above it. So now we have to replace the shingle below as well. It will never reseal properly.